Today we are looking at the Albino Burmese Python from Safari LTD. So, the Albino Burmese Python is the only albino creature that, to the best of my knowledge, that Safari LTD sells. Now, I happen to love this figure, though I have to admit that it is pretty cool. I love that the snake features this trait. Thank you, Safari LTD. This figure sells for $11.50, by the way. The paint job on it, 10 out of 10, easily. Love the coloration, it's beautifully done. The sculpt is amazing. Realism, 9 out of 10. The Burmese Python is missing something though. And you know what? I'm thinking I'm changing it. I'm changing it to 10 out of 10. Because it's not enough for me to take away a point off the score, so why do it in the first place? I love this figure, and it's not uncommon for albino snakes to appear yellowish, by the way. Will it stand up? Yeah. This is a solid figure. Yeah. So, closing thoughts, more companies need to make albino characters, or even leucistic. That's just my opinion. See you in the next one.